The Gunbower Floodplain Restoration Project is mostly within the Gunbower National Park, which forms part of the broader Gunbower Forest on the Mid-Murray floodplain of northern Victoria. Gunbower Forest is one of the few remaining River Red Gum floodplain systems in Victoria and has significant ecological importance. This project will enable water for the environment to be delivered efficiently and effectively, to give the floodplains the water they need while keeping irrigation water in the community. A proposed underground pump station will pump water from the Murray River at Brereton Road into a pipeline, then into the existing Old Straight Cut channel. New regulators on the channel will allow water to flow into Pig Swamp and, via a natural flood runner, down to Emu Hole Lagoon. These semi-permanent wetlands will contain water for most years, with fluctuating levels to provide breeding conditions for water birds such as intermediate egrets and habitat for other threatened species such as growling grass frogs and broad-shelled turtles. Planned regulators in Old Straight Cut will also allow for larger volumes of water to be pushed further into the wide, flat floodplain north of Brereton Road, about 2 or 3 years in every 10. These flows target the forest flood runners, supplying river red gums dependent on floodplain flows and providing a much needed drink for one of the largest remaining stands of river red gum forests in Australia. Proposed new regulators at Deep Creek and Spur Creek will allow flows back into the Murray, providing connectivity between the river and forest. The regulators will still allow natural flows into and out of the forest when the river levels are high. Allowing water onto the floodplains will give large trees a much needed drink, support the iconic flood-dependent understory, which requires flooding to complete its life cycle, and promote the germination of a diversity of aquatic plants. Gunbower National Park is just one of 9 ecologically significant floodplains to be restored as part of the VMFRP. This project is a major step towards restoring the floodplain's health and protecting it for future generations to experience and enjoy.